Welcome to my weekly performance video. Today is episode 7. Unbelievable. So today we are doing episode 7. I cannot believe it. And then, it's a long journey, but we are going to get to monetization. As I used to say, we are going to get to monetization. So if you are feeling that vibe, if you are enjoying that episode series, let me know in the comment section how far I don't know how long it remains for us to hit that monetization, that 4,000 watch hour. How long? We are going to find out in this video. And before we go, we always give 3 shout outs to my followers that commented under my video in the last week. So without wasting much of our time, we are going to start with that. So let's go and give that shout out. So if you want me to give a shout out to you in this series of weekly analysis, just comment on any of my video, then I will be glad to do that for you. So without that, let's go and give a shout out to the first shout out is going to viral trending 5678. She said, I completed my monetization in one of my other account. What should I do after monetization? Even review also done. Please make a video on that. Yes, thank you, my sister. And I replied my sister as well. I already did a video on what to do after your monetization has been done. So I'm still going to put the link in this description of this video of the playlist. I have the playlist, and I'm going to show us on this screen the playlist of what to do after you have monetized. What are the next step, onto verification, onto identity verification, onto you are going to get your pin, Google AdSense. All those videos, I've done it. Like me, I'm doing it step by step. That's why I said I'm recording it. I'm recording all my process, all my journey. Okay, so thank you, my sister. So watch my monetization process. You see it in the description. It's step by step. That's what next. Any video that you see next is next that you're going to see. So let me show us to answer that person. So I'll go to my playlist, then I'm going to show you my monetization process. Okay, this is the video that you watch first, how to apply until it's going to be done. Yes, the next step that you need to do is how to submit tax info in Google AdSense for non-US YouTuber in 2024. That is your next step. Then after that, you are going to get, I don't know whether you are fully monetized or not. If not, this is the next video for you, fully monetized. After that, you are going to verify your identity. That is the step that you're going to take. The next one is that you're going to do is this here is how to verify your AdSense address. That is the next one that you're going to do. Okay, the next all that you're going to do for now, and that is the stage. I just verify my address as well, so I show us how to do that also. So that is it. Then the next thing is you'll be waiting to do your verification of your payment once you meet the threshold, which the video is coming next. So I hope I'm able to answer you in that place. So everything is in process. Just go and check it out. So we continue. The next shout out is going to Kiki H. He said, hi, I recently started a new YouTube channel where I create content using AI generated voiceover. I would love to hear your thoughts on how the voice fits with the tone of my video. Your feedback will be greatly appreciated. So this person, I really want to appreciate you for even interacting on my video. Thank you so much. Thank you. And then I've already replied the person. We have already exchanged comments below also in the comment section, and I've really given my own review when I went to watch his video, and I've already given him what he can do and what he can do not do, what he should need to do and what he should not do. So if you want me to also review one of your video as well to help you, you can also send me, you can also comment below as well, so that I can be able to help you to review your video as well. If you want, it's a choice. Okay, so let me know also in the comment section. The last shout out is going to Entertainment Harvest. The Entertainment Harvest said, all your videos on OBS are very powerful and simple to understand. I give myself 100%. Thank you so much. I'm bluffing. I'm bluffing. I'm bluffing. Thank you. I'm glad that you are finding it useful to fit whatever that you need it for. So I'm really glad to hear that. So thank you so much as many that have commented on my video. And don't forget that I'm having a CapCut editing series going on right now in this month of December, which is going to be a 30 days. Okay, it's going to be 30 days, and don't miss it. If you want to increase or level up your editing for video, picture, or just want to make your video or your content creation, you want to take it to its next level, I think you need to follow that editing series and then follow it up one by one. And let's go back into why we are really here. We are talking about week 7, what has happened in episode 7 of this. So let's, without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So here is my current subscriber. You can see my current subscriber is 1,293. Thank you as many that are subscribed. And viewers, I have my views, which is 193,000 in the last 28 days. Don't forget this analysis on phone is always on last 28 days, and the watch time currently is 1.3 in the last 28 days. And then we are, without wasting much of the time, we go into the top content directly before we go to the end section. Okay, so as I said, we are in our overview, and so we go into it directly. We have talked about this, and then we have the current subscriber is 269, which is in the last 7 days. And then we have all this, our top contents that we are going, top video. So before we go, I go to my video, because this is my live streaming, and for a very long time I stopped. I think since last week I stopped the silent live streaming for now. And because why did I stop? One reason, I thought I would do it to the monetization, but I stopped it because of one reason. I saw that my video has started having visibility. Okay, why did I say my video has started having visibility? I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So let me go to my content. Let me go to a particular content, like for example this content that I posted it on the 28th of last month, and this video has really performed very well. Normally if I post video, it will take days, if I say days, to get views. It will get views, so maybe 10, 20. I will still be struggling. I can show you a proof. I work with proof. Let me show you. See all this video that I've posted 3 months ago. You can see 26, 35, 20, 35, 24, 66, 66, 68. You can see it takes time for my video to but now I can see changes in my video. You can see I've started picking up 200 views, 4 views, 1, even the one that I even posted today, as I'm doing this editing, the day 1, 36, this one I posted it 2 days ago, 101. So you can see what I'm talking about. So my video has already started picking up. So that's why I said, since my video have already started picking up, let me stop the live streaming, because live streaming, the one that mostly that I do, does not relate to my content. So let me pack it aside and focus on my content right now. So that is why I tell you what, I practice what I am preaching. So what I'm telling you is what I'm doing right now. Am I still going back to live streaming? I don't know. I might. Nobody can say. But for now, I've put a stop to it. So we continue. Video, I already have 1.2k. It's not possible before. If you go and watch all my review, you will see that my video never had up to 1.2k view before. Then short, 584. Thank God. I give God the glory. It's not possible. Then my returning followers, the more funny viewers, 89 from viewers from video, and 128 in short. Glory be to God. Then subscriber from video, 40. You can see what I'm trying to say. It's coming up. So the views from the last 28 days in live streaming, yes, it's normal, because I really do live streaming. Okay, so then my videos and the content I published, you can see how many it is. Then what the viewers are watching, live only, watch they are watching both, and then video only. So then typical views, my typical view is 50 to 100. Now it has increased. My live is 6 to 20. Then how viewer find me, it will be short because of those silent live streaming. Then vertical live feed, browse feature, YouTube chat, search. So that is that. They will go to my audience. Okay, you can see my returning viewers in the last 28 days from November is 6.6k view. Thank you. Then unique 176,200, which is okay. And subscriber, we have already checked my subscriber before. Okay, so now when your viewers are on YouTube, this thing has come up. I really appreciate it. You can see that tick purple, that is when they are really. But I don't normally post by that time. I post earlier before that time. So before they will come, I will have posted, so they will see it. So everybody is still watching my video. I really appreciate it. One thing I love most is that from 25 to 65, they are watching it. They are the one that has the purchasing power. So in case your video, your channel is monetized, you might be able to earn more because of the purchasing power of this thing will influence your earnings also. But if it's these people that are really watching you and they are 2.1, so which is okay for me. I really appreciate it because this channel, as you know, is a learning channel. So they are coming to learn. Maybe they are learning my OBS because I really love that. OBS is my base, so I love it. Okay, so maybe they're coming to learn OBS, which is okay for me. Thank you so much, everyone that is coming up. Then my gender, I have more male than female. Thank you so much. And I have unspecified, which are really grateful. The female are coming up now. Before I have less than 10% in female, but now they are 35, which is not too bad. Thank you. Geographical area, UK, USA, India, and then UK. I love to open this geographic. USA, India, UK, Germany, Canada, Russia, Brazil, France, Indonesia, and Australia. And USA is more. Thank you. So that means if this channel is monetized, I can be able to earn more. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. So watch time from your subscriber is they have 41 and non-subscriber have 59. Thank you. Those that hit that subscribe button, thank you. 41% of my watch hour is from you. You are the real one. You are the oga at the top. Thank you. So all this one have not really show up what your audience watch, channel that your audience watch. Yes, they won't, because they do not even understand me. YouTube does not even understand me before, because I'm doing live streaming, I'm doing this. Which one did? I'm confusing the algorithm. Even me too, I'm confusing the algorithm. But now I want to algorithm. I'm showing you algorithm what I really want now. So format that your viewer watched, they watch all. Thank you. They are watching everything from beginning to the end, which means that if they are watching more of your video, you can generate more income when you have monetized. So that is that on the audience. So we are going to talk about the first 5 top performing video for the last 7 days. So I'm going to jump these two because this one is short. I won't talk about. It's not video, and this one is live streaming, so I'm not going to talk about these two. So we are going to jump to this number 3, because all this one they are videos. So I will tap on this one, which is the one that I talk about, where I talk about removing background. So it's the most performed video last week. So let's see the reach. Okay, the reach is 8.1k. I've never made a video that the reach in the 4 days. In 4 days, it reached 8.1k. I'm going to make a video on what I do when I post this video, what really make that changes happened. So I'm going to make video on it for us to show us the proof what I did. Okay, so watch out for that video. So 8.1k, it's never happened before. The impression is 3.1%, and the total view is 291. You can see here they said 81 more than usual. Yes, it is more than usual. Truly, I can testify to it. And my unique viewer is 259. So how viewer find this video? They find it through YouTube search, the browse feature, suggested video, then other YouTube video, and there's others too. Maybe people share it in the WhatsApp, I don't know. Then external app is bing.com. That is show, they are showing it there, they are sharing it there. And then YouTube search term, remove background from video background remover. These are the video which is related. There are some videos that is suggesting my video that does not even related at all, but this one, it really relates to what is the content of the video. I think that is what really resonates again. Then content suggesting this video, how to edit video, which is the same. Then 9 secret website and apps. Okay, then introducing to all drama. I don't know what is this one for. Okay, so then CapCut video editing and how to create a stunning split. Okay, how to create a stunning split intro in CapCut. Okay, so that is the video that are suggesting, which is normal. Playlist featuring this video, not enough traffic for that. So you can see, and then that is number 1 video that is doing best. So let's go to the next one. The next video that is really doing well again is how to verify your identity in Google AdSense. And this video also, you can see that it has 100 more than usual. It is more than usual. Let me go and check the reach. You can see in the last 7 days it already has 5.1k. If I show you my old video, my reach is, they are very small. They are very, very small. I can prove it to you. Okay, I'll come back to here. Let me prove it to you. So my video doesn't have reach. It doesn't have reach. I'm going to prove it to you. You can see 2k for the past 84 days. It stay at 2k 84 days. So you can see that is one video. Another video again. Okay, 551 impression, and then the reach 56. Since when? 83 days. So if I'm telling you, if I'm saying that my video doesn't have impression, just believe me what I'm saying, that they are true. I'm saying, I am talking from my own personal experience. That is what I'm talking about. So we continue our video. So we come to and this video has already generated 37 watch hour for me, which is very good. And this one also has already generated 29 watch hours in just 4 days. So in just 4 good days. That one, this one, then this is the 3rd video that is doing well. This one is 14 more than usual, and that already generated 32 hours for me in 2 days. In just 2 days. Then the reach is 2.4k. So you can see that my videos is really picking up. You see that I need to stop that live streaming so that my video alone can work. And this one said, how can I monetize my channel, my YouTube channel? The episode 5, and already generated 25 hours plus 6 subscribers. Other ones are already generated subscribers. So just not to make this video very long. Okay, so we are going to end it, and then the last part that we normally go to is we go to our end section. How many hours in total are free generated? Okay, so that's where we are going to. So I come to my end section, and then I will scroll down. As at this night that I'm making it, Monday 2nd of December 2024, we are in 1774 as at today that we are making this video. So you can see that little by little we are getting closer to monetization. So we are getting closer to monetization. So now you can see where we are, and then you can still see how far we are still getting closer to monetization. We are going to record this video until we get to monetization. I will not get tired. Even if I'm tired, I'm still going to show up for my viewers to be able to follow along until we get to monetization. So if you have not watched the series of my CapCuts that I'm doing, then this video here is going to be a playlist to the one that we have already done before today that you are watching this video. So watch it and then follow up along to improve on your editing skills. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.